Alright guys, welcome back to Project Sketch for shape number 2 of our 3D dictionary or 3D shape challenge. Before we get started, remember you gotta have your pencil because you're gonna sketch lightly. That's rule 1. Next, you need your ruler or straight edge because you're gonna be drawing lines. We want those nice and straight. And then also, gotta have your nice handy paper right here with your 4 boxes for the 4 shapes we're gonna draw. Remember, if you can draw shapes, you can draw anything. So let's get started with shape number 2. Alright, this is my big box right here. It's my trusty whiteboard, really. But here's my magic marker. Just follow along. That's the 3rd step in our 3D shape dictionary. Follow me, step by step. Here we go. So I got my big box right here. This would be the middle. We're just going to go straight up towards the top. Make a dot right here. Alright, I'm making it nice and big so you can see at home. Remember, yours don't have to be as big. Okay, let's go to the left-hand side. Let's go down just a little bit. Okay, well, down a lot. A little up from our box, the bottom of our box right there. Bam, another big dot right there. If we did it to the left, let's go ahead and do it to the right. And then go right over here. Nice big dot right there. Now, grab your ruler. We're going to draw those lines. Remember, I don't have a ruler. I don't have one big enough. So I'm going to try the best I can to make these nice straight lines. Yours should be straight at home. From top to bottom, here we go. Alright, there we go. Perfect. Next, what we're going to do, top to bottom right here. Nice straight line. Alright, mine looks pretty good. Maybe yours even looks better at home. Now what we're going to do from dot to dot. I hope you didn't draw that line. I know some of you guys probably did. From dot to dot, lay your ruler down. We're just going to do a dashed line. Making sure we're kind of nice and even. That's what you want. If not, you could readjust. Perfect. Mine looks pretty good. Maybe a little slanted, but we're going to roll with it right now. Simple, easy. Left to right, all we're going to do, smiley face, like that. And then, bam, erase that dashed line. And now I've got what? That's right. What? Yeah, a cone. Boop. Alright, so I've got the cone right here. Remember I said if you could draw shapes, you can draw anything. So I'm going to show you guys something real quick with the cone. I'm going to put my dashed lines real quick there again. Making sure we're nice and even. Now, from dot to dot, what you can do is this. If I wanted to flip the cone and make it something else, or you wanted to draw that perspective a little different. Remember, perspective means the point of view you're looking at it. I can go ahead and just put a little rainbow line from dot to dot. Now it looks like the cone is going from the bottom. Now let's look at the shape real quick. What can we make out of a cone? Thought of one thing right away. I'm going to go ahead and flip our cone real quick. Alright, so I flipped my cone real quick. Only a matter of minutes. Well, maybe not even that. There we go. So now, here's what we're going to do. We're going to make it into an object. From dot to dot right here, all I'm going to do is simply do this. The reverse of what we did last time. Now, I'm just going to add a couple quick shapes. We got ourselves an object just using a cone. And then now, what do we've got there? Nice, delicious ice cream. All by using a cone. A couple little other simple shapes that I'll teach you guys in a bit. Alright, on to shape 3.